Charcoal is a dark brown or black porous solid fuel left by incomplete combustion of wood or wood raw materials or pyrolysis in isolation from air. The production principle of charcoal ball press is very simple, easy to operate. Customers can easily master the operating points of charcoal ball press. The hydraulic protection device of charcoal ball press is the hydraulic pump will be high pressure oil into the hydraulic cylinder so that the piston produces axial displacement. The front joint head of the piston rod is on the bearing seat to meet production pressure requirements when the feed between the two rollers is too much or enters the metal block. The hydraulic cylinder piston rod is overloaded. The hydraulic pump will stop. The accumulator plays a buffer role on the pressure change. The relief valve is opened and the oil is returned. The piston rod is shifted so that the gap between the rollers is increased, so that the hard object passes through the press roll. The system pressure is restored to normal, and the press roll can be protected from damage. The machine can adjust the pressure according to the requirements of ball density. Flexible production.